I planted the jujube tree here and it has grown so beautifully. Just look how dense and bushy the branches have become. Now let me show you what I feed the base of this tree. I use organic fertilizer and specifically dried cow dung, and over here on this side is a bitter gourd plant. I sowed these seeds with my own hands. Now just look how incredibly well this plant has grown. So for these bitter gourd plants, I have constructed a proper trellis right here, and because of this sturdy trellis from both sides, from this side and from that side, from both directions, this plant is spreading across the trellis, completely covering it. So I thought the FR fruits hadn't come yet, I guess, but look, here are the fruits. See the fruits? Here are the fruits. This fruit, so mashallah, just look at all these fruits. They are small tiny fruits. Alhamdulillah, so many beautiful fruits have come out. So you can cultivate bitter gourd in your rooftop garden by making small trellises like this. This here is actually a pot for a lychee tree, and in this very lychee tree pot I have planted a bitter gourd plant. The base of this tree, you see, is right here, exactly at this spot. I absolutely do not use any kind of chemical pesticides on it, and I don't even bother with any artificial fertilizers either. The only thing I ever provide for its nourishment is well decomposed cow dung manure, and truly nothing else at all is ever given. When I look at these new shoots on my plant, my heart just fills with such a wonderful feeling. I feel so good. MashaAllah, they are truly beautiful. So if you look at it from down below, the tree appears truly magnificent and beautiful, and you can certainly arrange and decorate your own rooftop garden in a similar fashion. With just a little bit of effort and dedication, you can achieve great success and wonderful results. Thank you very much for watching. Please do let me know in the comments section below how much you enjoyed this video of mine.